Hello YouTube, hello everyone, how are you today? Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to begin our first project, and I think I have to say a few words about it. I'm from Russia, but now I'm living in Finland. It means that difference between Russian ruble and euro matters a lot for me. So I have decided to make a useful tool in order to have detailed information about currencies. This is the main idea. Now let's divide it in parts. First of all, I want to use Laravel framework. So firstly, we need to install it. Then we need to find data provider. I know there is a plenty free to use API providers that we can use. And we will collect data from API and save it in our local database. When data is collected, we will process it and provide on the website. Okay, in this video we are going to install Laravel framework and check if it works fine. Laravel is a great PHP tool for developers, but I would like to begin from another useful thing for PHP programmers. It is Composer. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. It is extremely useful tool for PHP developer, so I advise you to get acquainted with it. I'm going to tell you more about Composer in some of the next videos. Today let's just install it. So open a website, getcomposer.org, click on download page. I'm using a Windows computer today, so I'm taking a Windows installer. Click on the link, download and install Composer. When job is done, it is better to check if Composer works fine. In order to do that, let's open a cmd command line and ask Composer about version that it has. Okay, I see that Composer has version number 2.0.9 and it was installed in January. Okay, well, now we are ready to install Laravel. Let's create a work catalog for our project. For example, I am gonna use disk D, work, and create a new catalog YouTube, for example, and one means first project. Okay, we can install Laravel now. There is a command for Composer that helps us. Let's open a Laravel online documentation, laravel.com, then documentation. An installation section is here, installation via Composer. And let's copy this command and paste it in cmd line. Let's change the name like currency and press enter. Awesome. We see that process has started. So all we need to do now is wait for a while. Okay, now we see that Laravel is installed. Let's check it. As we can see on documentation, we can go to currency directory and start local development server by using PHP artisan serve command. Let's do this and open a browser on this address. Okay, now everything works just fine. Let's sum it up. Today we installed Composer, we installed Laravel framework, and we run a web server for our project. Let's end this video for today. We will continue our project in the next video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you!